So, good day everyone. This is the hospital patient management system. So, first one is yung mga input natin, mga variable which is patient ID, name, age, room type, days, lab test, medicine fee, operation needed, temperature, systolic BP, diastolic BP, and heart rate. So, i-require natin yung mga end user na mag-input ng requirements para malaman natin kung ano nga ba yung kalagayan ng isang patient based dito sa system. Then, next is yung mga condition natin. So, if room type is equal to ward, yung room rate niya is 500. So, new variable natin yung room rate. So, pag ward daw yung nilagay niya dito sa room type, ang lalabas na value is 500. So, if not room type, semi-private for example, text block of code, room rate naman niya is 1,000. So, next type, if hindi naman ulit, room type niya is private, room rate niya is 2,000. So, if hindi naman, room type naman is ICU, ang room rate niya is 5K. So, if wala sa lahat, like no ward, no semi-private, no private, and no ICU, ang i-return niya na value is invalid room type. So, you need to choose between ward, semi-private, private, and ICU para mag-proceed tayo. Then, next, ito naman yung mga variable na lab fee, which is constant lang. May value na 1, 2. Operation fee is 0. Para pag nag-no ka here sa if block na to, hindi niya isasama yung operation fee na 50, which is 15,000 here. So, if yes naman, ika-calculate niya yan, idadagdag niya sa bill ng pasyente yung operation fee, which is 15,000. So, next is yung mga formula natin, which is days times room rate, lab test times lab fee, then yung subtotal is yung total ng room bill here, lab bill, plus medicine fee, plus operation fee if meron naman. So, if wala, magiging 0 naman siya because of the else block. Then, another conditional, if age is greater than or equal to 60, may discount siya na 20%. So, pag mas mataas sa 60 yung age or equal to 60, may discount ng 20%. So, hindi. Pag hindi naman, LF, yung subtotal niya is 100,000 lang. Here, pag na-compute to, then yung subtotal niya is greater than or equal to 100,000, may discount siya na 15%. So, if 50,000 lang naman yung subtotal here, ang discount niya lang is 10%. So, if hindi na-meet yung requirements sa tatlong yan, wala kang discount. So, no discount for the patient. So, here naman, tinawag total bill, yung pinaka-total bill, gumawa ng bagong variable. Tinawag yung subtotal, then minus natin dito sa discount. So, another conditional, if temperature is greater than equal to 38, print fever. So, may lagnat daw. Then, if wala naman, normal temperature. So, same lang tayo dito sa systolic. If systolic BP is greater than equal to 140 and diabetes greater than equal to 90, ang ipiprint niya sa BP stat is high blood pressure. So, if hindi naman, if yung systolic naman natin is less than equal to 90 and diabetes natin is less than equal to 60, low blood pressure. So, if hindi ulit na-meet yung requirements, pupunta tayo sa else block and normal blood temperature naman yung iaano niya. Same as the heart rate. Pag less than equal to 60, bradycardia. Pag hindi, if na-meet niya yung 100, greater than equal to 100, tachycardia. Then, next, else block. If hindi naman na-meet yung dalawang requirements, normal lang. So, after that, tapos na yan. Then, ipiprint na ng yung summary. Ito, using fstring. So, fstring placeholder patient ID. Ipiprint niya yung total bill and yung mga sakit na nakuha niya based sa in-input natin. So, that's all po. Thank you.